We all face moments when we feel that time is slipping through our fingers, leaving behind years that seem to have been wasted. Perhaps they were years of internal struggles, postponed dreams, or challenges that seemed insurmountable. In the midst of these experiences, something deep and powerful arises: the belief in the power of the universe to restore what has been lost. This is a theme that touches us deeply because it speaks to our innermost hope and our faith in the possibility of personal transformation. Have you ever wondered if there are signs around you, subtle or evident, indicating that the universe is working to restore the years that seemed lost? It might be a feeling in the heart, a meaningful encounter, or even a period of inner peace after an emotional storm. The idea that the universe is actively involved in restoring all the wasted years is more than just hope. It is a conviction that transcends mere fantasy. It is a conviction rooted in faith, not necessarily in a religious sense, but in a deep trust in the greater order of things. We believe that the universe is more than matter and energy. It is a flow of meaning and purpose unfolding before us. But what are the signs that lead us to believe in this promise of restoration? Well, they can manifest in various forms. It might be that sudden sense of calm after an emotional storm, as if the universe were whispering, "It's okay, you are being guided." Or it could be a series of seemingly significant coincidences, events that align so perfectly that they cannot be mere chance. It is these moments that make us question if there is a higher intelligence at work behind the scenes, moving in the margins of our lives. So today, let's explore the signs that the universe will restore all your wasted years. Let's discover together how hope and faith play a fundamental role in this journey of inner transformation. The first sign that the universe is working to restore our wasted years is the presence of the transformative power of emotional and spiritual healing. Healing goes beyond simply healing wounds. It is a process of inner renewal that allows us to release the weight of the past and find new vitality for the present and future. Emotional healing is like light penetrating the darkest parts of our soul. When we allow ourselves to confront and process our deepest pains, we pave the way for true healing. It's like cleaning a wound, allowing the body and mind to heal naturally. This healing can come from various sources: therapy, spiritual practices, meaningful connections with others, or simply time and self-forgiveness. Spiritual healing is a journey of reconnecting with our deepest essence and with the universe. It involves finding meaning and purpose in our experiences, transcending the ego, and embracing a broader awareness. When we feel spiritually connected, we experience healing that goes beyond the bounds of body and mind. The benefits of emotional and spiritual healing extend to our physical and mental health. Scientific studies show that reducing emotional stress is directly linked to improvements in cardiovascular and immune health, and even longevity. Furthermore, emotional healing empowers us to cope better with daily challenges, strengthening our mental and emotional resilience. The second sign from the universe is the manifestation of abundance, especially in the form of financial blessings. Financial abundance can be a powerful sign of restoration, as it represents not only an improvement in our material situation, but also a renewed trust in the flow of life and the universe's ability to provide. It's important to recognize that abundance goes beyond money. It manifests itself in unexpected opportunities, meaningful encounters, and moments of synchronicity that leave us marveling at the vastness of the universe. These blessings transcend the material aspect, offering us a sense of fullness and gratitude that goes far beyond what we can count in numbers. Unexpected blessings can take different forms, from a gesture of kindness from a stranger to an opportunity for personal growth that presents itself at just the right moment. They are gifts from the universe that remind us that we are being guided and supported on our journey of restoration. For example, imagine receiving a job offer that aligns perfectly with your talents and passions, or finding a welcoming community that supports you on your path of self-discovery. These can be clear signs that the universe is actively working to restore not only your material situation, but also your faith in the abundance and generosity of life. By embracing and appreciating these blessings, we develop a mindset of gratitude and receptivity that further strengthens our connection with the universe. We recognize that restoration is not limited to what we have lost in the past, but extends to a future rich in possibilities and personal growth. The third sign that the universe is restoring our wasted years is the awakening of compassion and a sincere desire to serve others. When we go through a process of deep inner transformation, it is natural for our perspective on life to broaden, and we begin to feel a call to contribute positively to the well-being of those around us. Inner transformation often leads us to develop a greater sensitivity to the struggles and pains of others. This sensitivity drives us to act with compassion, not only feeling empathy for the difficulties of others, but actively seeking to alleviate the suffering and promote the well-being of those who cross our path. Compassion, in this context, is not just a passing feeling. It is a transformative force that connects us with the higher purpose of our existence. By choosing to live a life dedicated to serving others, we find meaning and value in our own journeys of restoration. After all, true restoration goes beyond our individual experience. It is shared and enriched through human connections and mutual care. Every act of kindness, no matter how small, is an expression of the restoration we are seeking. The universe responds to our willingness to serve, bringing more opportunities to positively impact the world around us. The fourth sign from the universe is connected to inner strength and resilience, which are fundamental pillars in the process of restoring wasted years. As we face adversity and challenges throughout our lives, we are constantly tested in our ability to overcome and adapt. It is in these moments of difficulty that we discover the true extent of our inner strength. Developing inner strength means cultivating the ability to persist, even in the face of the most difficult circumstances. It is finding courage to move forward, even when everything seems to be against us. Resilience, on the other hand, involves the ability to recover and adapt after facing adverse experiences. It is the ability to learn from challenges and grow from them rather than being defeated by them. When we go through periods of difficulty and become stronger and more resilient, we experience a kind of inner restoration. We discover a new depth in our own essence and realize that we are capable of facing whatever life brings us. This journey of self-discovery often leads us to question and clarify our purpose in life. Life purpose is what guides us through the storms and keeps us steady on our journey. Sometimes it is during the most challenging moments that we discover or strengthen our purpose. It can be the desire to make a difference in the lives of others, to contribute to meaningful causes, or simply to live in alignment with our deepest values. Finding and following divine purpose in life is another clear sign of personal and spiritual restoration. Divine purpose refers to the unique mission that each of us has in this world, a spiritual journey that goes beyond the limitations of everyday existence. When we align with this higher purpose, we experience a deep sense of connection to something greater than ourselves. Spiritual alignment involves recognizing and honoring the internal impulses that guide us toward our divine purpose. It may manifest as an inner voice calling us to follow a specific path, or as a series of synchronous events leading us in the right direction. It is a process of attentive listening to the call of the heart and soul. When we are aligned with our divine purpose, we feel a sense of peace and inner fulfillment, regardless of external circumstances. It's as if every step taken toward purpose is a step toward the complete restoration of our wasted years. We are in harmony with the natural flow of life and trust in the wisdom of the universe to guide us. Alignment with divine purpose brings a sense of fulfillment and joy that transcends mundane worries. In addition, spiritual alignment contributes significantly to personal restoration as it connects us with the source of all healing and renewal. By opening ourselves to divine guidance, we allow the universe to work in us and through us, restoring what was lost and paving the way for a future full of possibilities. Inner peace and balance are also powerful signs of restoration that indicate a deep connection with the universe and oneself. Amidst the turbulence and challenges of life, cultivating inner peace is essential for the process of personal and spiritual restoration. Inner peace is not just about the absence of external conflicts, but rather an internal state of serenity and acceptance. When we achieve this state, we can face life's challenges with more clarity and resilience. Finding inner peace is an individual and ongoing process that involves practices such as meditation, cultivating gratitude, and self-knowledge. It's about learning to listen to the silent voice within ourselves and trusting in the guidance of the universe to guide us. For example, regularly practicing meditation makes us experience a profound sense of inner peace that transcends daily worries. With this practice, we learn to disconnect from external noise and connect with our deepest essence, finding balance and harmony within ourselves. Inner peace is a clear sign of restoration by the universe, as it indicates a reconnection with the source of all healing and renewal. When we are at peace, we make room for the natural flow of life to guide us toward wholeness and authenticity. The seventh sign from the universe is the pursuit of a deeper spiritual connection, which is connected to a path to spiritual awakening. It involves a personal journey of discovery and exploration of the subtle dimensions of existence, seeking an intimate connection with the divine. The spiritual journey is unique for each individual, but it generally involves practices such as meditation, contemplation, spiritual study, and communion with nature. It is a process of self-discovery and expansion of consciousness, allowing us to transcend mundane concerns and dive into the depths of the spirit. When we commit to a sincere search for a deeper spiritual connection, we open ourselves to receive guidance and inspiration from the divine. This quest helps us recognize the presence of the sacred in all things and find meaning and purpose in our earthly journey. Mental clarity plays a fundamental role in the journey of personal restoration, allowing us to better understand our past challenges and adopt a new perspective on life. It is a state of consciousness where we find clarity and discernment to reflect on our experiences and transform them into learning and growth. When we achieve mental clarity, we are able to see beyond superficial appearances and identify the hidden lessons behind our challenges. This allows us to release limiting thought patterns and embrace a more expansive and positive view of life. When we cultivate mental clarity, we can revisit past experiences with an open and curious mind, seeking to understand the motivations and deeper implications of each situation. This conscious review empowers us to release resentments and guilt associated with the past, promoting a renewed sense of self-compassion and self-acceptance. By understanding our past experiences more clearly, we are able to design a future that is more aligned with our deepest desires and values. Reconciliation and rebuilding relationships play a crucial role in the process of personal restoration, reflecting the universe's healing and transformative ability in our lives. These processes involve restoring interpersonal bonds and building deeper and more meaningful connections with others. The importance of reconciliation is in the opportunity to release past resentments, forgive oneself and others, and cultivate an environment of understanding and mutual acceptance. By opening ourselves to reconciliation, we allow love and compassion to flow freely in our lives, promoting a renewed sense of harmony and inner peace. When we rebuild relationships that have been affected by disagreements or misunderstandings, we are practicing the art of empathy and genuine communication. This rebuilding not only strengthens emotional bonds, but also offers us an opportunity for mutual growth and learning. Believing in the universe's ability to restore what we consider lost is an act of faith and hope that can open doors to a renewed life full of meaning. And as we embrace the signs of restoration, we commit to a journey of self-acceptance, forgiveness, and spiritual growth. Our ability to see beyond past adversities and embrace a future full of possibilities is a testament to the transformative power of the universe in our lives. Each sign reminds us that we are deserving of healing, abundance, and inner peace, regardless of external circumstances. So, may we continue to explore and embrace the signs of restoration in our lives, trusting in the power of the universe to lead us towards a fuller and more meaningful existence. And may every step taken on this journey be an expression of faith, hope, and love for ourselves and the world around us. Thank you for embarking on this journey with me. If this video resonated with you, I invite you to like and subscribe to our channel. Share this video with others so they can benefit from this message. And don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your thoughts, reflections, and experiences. Thanks again for watching and for joining me. Take care and see you soon.